Here's how to repair the Steam service on Windows to fix launch problems and service-related errors. Close Steam completely. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type C:/program files /x86/bin/steam service.exe/repair and press Enter. If Steam is installed in a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once finished, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. Repairing the Steam service fixes broken background components required for downloads, updates, and launching games. After repairing the Steam service, Steam should run more reliably. Subscribe for more advanced Steam fixes and PC solutions.